This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Today I'm here with Jeremy from O'Brien Service Company, a locally owned and operated business since 1981 that has expert services in heating and air conditioning, plumbing, duct cleaning. And Jeremy, we're going to talk a little bit about something that affects all of us here on the coast, and that's humidity.
That's right. Excess humidity is something that affects our homes and our businesses. It can cause mold growth. It can warp the wood in your home. It can also cause indoor air quality issues. So it's something that we all want to be conscientious of.
And that's where dehumidifiers can come in, right?
That's right. They can control the humidity in the whole house instead of just a standalone unit in one room. And that can bring down your humidity levels, which will help your cooling costs, and it'll improve your indoor air quality.
And this is something you install directly into an HVAC system?
That's correct. They can be installed as a standalone, or they can be actually ducted into your system so that it complements your system. In the swing seasons, for example, that dehumidifier can run when your air conditioner is not, in order to lower the humidity levels in the home. And during the cooling season, it'll operate, which will help lower the humidity levels, which will then in turn make it so that the air conditioner doesn't run as much.
Sounds like a win-win. Now, who's a candidate for a dehumidifier?
If you live near the coast, you're a candidate for a dehumidifier. Some signs that you might need one would be musty smells, high humidity levels, indoor air quality issues such as asthma or allergies. So I'd recommend that you give us a call and we can come out and do a no-cost evaluation for you and let you know if a dehumidifier is right for you.
Thanks, Jeremy. Stay comfortable with O'Brien Service Company. Call them today at 799-6611 or go online to o'brienservice.com.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.